Hello everyone, my name is Wilson and I want to welcome you to this week review. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a bootable USB drive. For this video, we will be using Rufus to create a bootable Windows 10 USB drive. All the links for these files will be in the description of this video. If you're new to this channel, subscribe, hit the bell to get notifications every time I upload a video. Well, Rufus is a utility that helps format and create bootable USB flash drives. And the first thing we have to do is download it. I have already downloaded, but I can show you where you can find it. This is the website. Scroll it down until you find the download options and click on Rufus to download it. As you can see here at the bottom, I already have downloaded the application. Now that you have downloaded the application, run it. This is the Rufus Windows. As you can see here, it has already identified my USB drive, which is Rescue with 4 GB. So the next thing we have to do is select the boot image. So click here on select and go to where your image is. I have my image here, which is a Windows 10 image. I'm gonna click here and click open, select it. Now it is selected, as you can see here. The next thing to do, or the next option, well, leave all this option the way it is. So you have here the option to change the name. Here at the volume label, you can give it the name that you want. I'm gonna write here Windows 10 2019. I will leave all this option the way it is, and then I'm going to click here start. So the information we get here is that the image is too big for the selected target. So what we're going to do is change this USB drive to a big one. I'm going to switch now. As you can see, once I have removed the USB drive, it has been removed as well from the Rufus Windows. Now I'm going to insert a new USB drive. I have inserted a new USB drive, and as you can see, it already detected the new USB drive. So make sure that this drive has no information inside, because once we start the process, it will format all the information inside this USB. I'm just going to click here on my USB drive to make sure that nothing is there. As you can see, nothing is there. So coming back here to this Windows, so you have here your USB drive selected already. Once again, leave all these options the way it is. I'll change the name here again to Windows 10 2019, and then I'm going to click here start. So you got this warning window saying that all the data on this device will be destroyed. If that's okay for you, just click OK. For me it's okay. I'm going to click OK. So Rufus now is going to create a bootable image on this USB drive. This process can take quite some time, but it's perfectly normal. Well guys, we have finished creating a bootable Windows 10 on a USB drive. Since the process has finished, we just come here and click on close. If we go to this PC, we can see here our USB drive, and if we click inside, we can see all the files for Windows 10 installation. Well guys, this is all for this tutorial. I hope you like it, and if you did, click the like button and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.